Hello viewers, welcome to KC Sharp, where we turn drafting skill into income. In today's section, we all are going to look into chamfering in AutoCAD. So if you are still making use of sharp corner or sharp edge like this, you are wasting a lot of your time and you're doing it wrongly. What I mean is, if your AutoCAD corner still looks like this, you are completely doing it wrong. In the next few minutes of this tutorial, I am going to show you the fastest way to chamfer any edge perfectly without no stress and no confusion. So without wasting much time, we are going to make use of this object to achieve what we all are talking about. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials that makes learning easy. Make use of chamfer this time around. So we can chamfer by using two different methods. We can specify the horizontal and vertical distance of the chamfer, or we can specify one of the distance and the angles. But let's see the difference in examples. Let's see the difference in examples. In this first example, we are going to activate the chamfer this time around, not fillet. Click on chamfer. Now it's telling you to select your line. What you need to do here is to select your distance under your command line. Click on distance. Now it's telling you to specify first chamfer distance, which I'm going to use 400. I will say 400. Say enter. Click on enter. Now it's telling you to specify, or it's prompting you to specify the second chamfer distance. So I'm going to make use of 200 this time around. I'll type 200, said enter. Now it's prompting you to select the line. So what you need to do this time around, I will just go ahead and select the horizontal line, click on it, and click on the vertical line. So when looking at this, we are able to chamfer this object here by using one method to chamfer this particular airline, this particular object. So moving down to another example, but before that, note that the first distance was applied to the first line selected. That first distance was applied at the horizontal line, which was the first line I selected, while the second distance applied to the line that I selected last, while the second distance was this vertical line. So let's move down to another example on how we can make use of multiple chamfer this time around. So just go down. So this is another example which we are going to use in this particular one. What we are going to do now, I will set the first distance of this particular example now. I am going to make use of 100 and 200. So I will just go ahead and click on my chamfer, activate it. Now I will come down here, you will see multiple under the command line. Click on multiple, then also click on distance. This particular time, we are going to chamfer your work without reactivating the chamfer button. So I will just go ahead, it's telling you to specify the chamfer distance. I will go ahead and click on 200 since I'm making use of 200. Then it is also prompting you to enter the second chamfer distance. I am going to make use of 100 this time around. I click enter, said enter. Now it's telling you to select the object which you want to chamfer. I will come down here and pick up this particular one, which is the first one or the first corner of the object. Click on it, then coming down to the lower left corner of this object, which is here. I will click here. and I will click here. Now by so doing, you are able to chamfer this particular work. So if you check, the distance from here to here is 100, from while the distance from here to here is 200. So this is exactly how you can chamfer your work. You can equally still go ahead and chamfer as many as you want, depending on the kind of job you are doing. So this is how you can use a multiple in chamfering and also a single method in chamfering. So if you are coming across our channels for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe. I post practical tutorial every week. Thank you and see you next. Bye.